Hi viewers, welcome to World of CNC. This is slide number 36. In this, we will see the turning operation with the grooving with the Siemens controller, and this is the profile. We have the diameter of 30 and maximum length of 65. Up to 43 is the turning length, and these are all the parameters to be entered. First, we have to call the raw material page, maximum diameter, facing allowance, maximum length and maximum machining length. These parameters to be entered first, and then we need to call the label. Before that, we are completing the facing operation. After calling the label, in between this AA and BB, these profile values will come. Say after calling this label page, we have to set the stock removal parameters. These are all the parameters for stock removal. Safety distance, feed rate, depth of cut, finishing allowance on both axes, maximum diameter, maximum machining length. So these parameters to be entered. After that, we go for the grooving operation. So these are all the parameters for grooving. This is the portion for grooving. These parameters to be entered here. This is the program with the cycle number. Cycle number started with the N10, incrementally N20, N30, like that the cycle number is there. First, we need to set the raw material parameters. So these are all the parameters, and then up to facing operation we are completing. Again, go back to the maximum diameter of X30. This is nothing but label. In between this AA and BB, these profile values will come. So this is AA and BB. In between, the profile values are there. Say after calling the label, we have to set the stock removal parameters. So these are all the parameters. Simply we are entering the values, and then go back to a reference point, calling a next tool. So this is the tool for grooving operation, and after giving some speed, once again position the tool where the grooving operation is required, and then simply enter the parameters for grooving operation. So this N200, this line is for grooving operation. So these are the parameters. After that, once again retract the tool, switching off the spindle, and put M30. M30 is nothing but a program end. So up to M30 we are completing. After that, we go for the label values. Say after writing the program, simply copy the program and paste in the software itself. We will get the profile like this after simulation. So we can cross check whether the profile is correct or not. So we can compare with this profile. Now we will see in the machine itself. This is the screen for Siemens controller. Go to Program Manager. Open Workpieces. Already we have stored the program here. So this is the program what we entered in the PPT. Same we are copying here, and after entering all the parameters, go for the simulation. Now it is verifying. Now the turning process is going on. Actually 0.5 mm depth of cut is processing. Now the grooving process is going on. After grooving operation is over, we will get the profile like this. So if you want, we can compare the profile, whether it is correct or not, like this. So just we can compare it. If it is okay, if you want to see other views, go to further views, two windows. At a time we can see two pages. This is side view and face view. Once again, go back, put it in side view. If you want, we can increase the size by scrolling the mouse. By using arrow keys, we can move the profile up and down, left and right. So this is the profile what we need as per the diagram. Just go through this program. This is the first page. This is the second page. And this is the third page. The entire program is there. Go through this. So this is the way to do simulation. The next slide we will see some other operation like threading, drilling, etc., etc. Kindly support this channel. Thank you all.